To search for vacancies, either use the search box in the Vacancies panel on the home screen or click the Vacancies tab and select Search Vacancies from the drop-down menu. To search, you can either use the quick search to filter by text, reference ID or organisation, or use the filters to refine by business area, location, salary, date posted and expired, country and vacancy type. You can save your search to come back to later by clicking Save this search. You can return to your saved searches by clicking the Saved Searches button on the right of the vacancy search screen, from the search results list, click the job title to go to further information about the vacancy. The vacancies detail page provides more information, including the closing date and how to apply. You will also find further information about the employer and a link to the employer profile. To save the vacancy to come back to later, click the Actions menu at the right of the screen and select Save. You can go to your saved vacancies from the Actions menu or from the Vacancies menu. To search for employers, either use the search box in the Organisations panel on the home page or go to the Vacancies tab and select Organisations from the drop-down menu. To search, either use the quick search to search text within the title or description, or use the filters. If you know the organisation's name, type this into the search box. You can also refine by business area, country, region and organisation size. You can save this search to come back to later by clicking Save this search. You can return to your saved searches by clicking the Saved Searches button on the right of the organisation search screen. Click on the organisation name to go to further information about the employer. The organisations page will give you further information such as contact details, website, business area, size, and links to any current vacancies or forthcoming events.